Hey Divas, welcome back. So today I am 39 weeks and 8 days pregnant. I'm about to go to my 39 weeks checkup, but before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead pick Adriana up from school. Her school lets out at what, 2:15? It's now 1:43. So my husband, he's at work. He's the one who's gonna just go ahead, leave from work, pick up Adriana, and then come and get me and Adriana to go to my appointment. My appointment is at 2:30, so we'll have time. It's not far away, and yeah. But anywho, last night I went to the triage because I was in so much pain. I've been in so much pain for the past couple of days. I've been telling my husband, oh, be prepared to wake up in the middle of the night to take me to the hospital. So yesterday I was in so much pain, I decided I want to go in after 6 to 7. So I got to the hospital at like 7:30, 7 something. And the good thing is I am dilated. She said I'm like 1.5, almost 2 centimeters dilated, but I had no contractions. So today is my checkup, my regular weekly checkup. So I'm gonna go in today and see what's up. And that was my first cervical check ever since I got pregnant, and it's the one last night. So I'm just here. I'm already dressed. I'm just waiting on my husband to get here, pick us up, and let's go. So this is my belly. Yep, this is it. I'm just gonna sit and relax. I'm just gonna sit and relax, wait for him to come and get us. So yeah, I'll check up with you guys after I'm done with my appointment or so. Yeah.
So we should also have like we did a dry run, right? For labor. Where to go now.
Yeah. We'll speak at the walkthrough tomorrow.
And then you still have that storage house too, right?
Yeah.
Baby's moving a lot.
Daddy go big. Hey y'all, welcome back. So the last time I checked in with you guys yesterday, I went to the doctor. Everything is fine. Now I'm at the hospital. This is the hospital I'm gonna give birth. So I'm here to do a walkthrough of the labor and delivery department, so I can see all the rooms, how they're set up and stuff like those. So I'm just gonna go ahead, sit in the lobby and wait on them to come and get us. So hey guys, this is the next day. We're done with the walkthrough at the hospital. I didn't get any footage, but when I tell you, some of the rooms, they're big and some are small, but I'm keeping my fingers crossed to get a big room. So this is us now installing the car seat. We waited to install the car seat because we don't want to install it and be driving around with it, because you can actually go to the hospital without a car seat, but you can't leave without one. So even if I go in labor and the car seat is not yet installed, I can still go to the hospital, but before I leave, my husband would be able to install the seat. So this is him doing his thing, and trust me, it wasn't that hard. It was kind of, some of the, I don't know how to explain it, but he was having like a hard time figuring out some of it, and I was laughing at him and telling him that maybe you waited too long so you don't remember how to install a car seat. But that's just for fun, and you see the girls all over in the video because they're excited and they can't wait to meet their baby sister. This car seat is way different from what we have had in the past, so I'm showing you all the do's and don'ts, and this actually has a level to it, and it also shows you like how to actually recline the car seat properly and all that good stuff. here you go, guys. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.